I want you to join the inspiration sessions because it's a new rug every month. And I teach in these sessions. It's like an hour in the studio with me. And that's what people often ask for. That's what people often say they want. They want that time in the studio with me where I'm showing them exactly what I'm doing. That's what we do during the inspiration sessions. So join me, you'll come with me in my private studio, a new rug, a new idea, new inspiration every month. And you can work on your own projects. It's not, you don't need special kits or anything. It's like you and me in the studio. That's what it's like. It's the inspiration sessions. That's what people tell me, and I believe them. See ya, hookingrugs.com. And when you join for a year, you get 2 months free. And if you join monthly, it's just $19.95. So sign up at hookingrugs.com, and it's open for a limited time. We're just open for a short window in March, and then we get on with the year, and we have all kinds of beautiful surprises each month for you. See you. Bye-bye.